वेलकम टू माय चॅनल युग विज्ञान आणि तंत्रज्ञानाचे. myself Dr. Manisha Govind Nagargoje. Today we learn the chapter periodic classification of element, and in this chapter second method of classification, Newland's law of octaves. Hi friends, today in this video we learn the Newland's law of octaves. See here, the English scientist John Newland correlated the atomic masses of elements to their property. In 1866, Newland arranged the elements known at that time in the increasing order of their atomic masses. Newland firstly arranged 56 elements in increasing order of their atomic masses. When he arranged that elements, it started with the lightest element of hydrogen and end of this element with the thorium. Newland when arranged all that elements, then he found the every eighth element had properties similar to those of the first element. See here some example given here. Firstly, sodium is the eighth element from lithium. Sodium and lithium, both elements have similar property. Second example is magnesium, also show similar property with beryllium. And third example is chlorine, shows also similar property with fluorine. After all, Newland observed and he compared this similarity with the octaves in music, and he called similarity observed in the eighth and first element as the law of octave. So law of octave means the similarity of eighth and first element is known as law of octave. See here in this chart, Newland compare this octave with in music. This is the musical notes. All we know that sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni and sa. See here, first element is hydrogen, second one is lithium, third is beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and eighth is fluorine. Hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, these four elements have similar property because of this group is the halogen groups. But many limitations were found in this Newland's octave. What is the limitations? See here, the limitation is, first limitation is in this first block cobalt and nickel. Cobalt and nickel, both elements are metal, and other hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, these are the halogens. This first limitation. Second one is the Newland could arrange 56 elements but only up to the calcium. These are also second limitation. And Newland place metal, cobalt and nickel under with halogen groups, and ferrous is a metal, but he places in non-metals groups. This is also the limitations of Newland's octaves. And last one is the property of new elements discovered later on did not fit in Newland's law of octave. This is the Newland's law of octaves and limitations found in the Newland's octaves. Thank you. Thank you one and all.